actually not really looked after well. मला ट्रिमिंग करायला मिळतच नाही. I mean तो मूड होत नाही. Good morning सपना जी.
Good morning, Jyoti. How are you?
Good. I'm good and feeling really very healthy.
Thank you so much for your appreciation yesterday. It was really good, and we were touched.
Thank you. But I've been trying to push it in my family also, but then
Yes.
mood hai nahi hai, so I'm not comparing anybody, but I have given them the link to see in Facebook if they want to.
Yes, that's what most of the people are doing. In a day, so many people whole day keep on doing, and even some people who started a little late. So they started like day 1, day 2, day 3. So the previous videos, if you see, they are going like 2,000, 3,000, 7,000. So that way. So people are doing. The idea was let them do at their own pace.
But I am enjoying because start of the day becomes very fresh.
Yes.
Productive. The day becomes very productive.
Yes. That ought to.
Can we start, madam?
Yes. Yes, we can do that.
Yes. Can we start, madam?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, just a moment. Yes, we are live.
So good morning, namaste to all the viewers and to all my fellow Rotarians. Now over to you, President Kishore.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to the 17th session of our yoga and meditation by our Rotarian Sapna Priyadarshi. Indeed, we realize one thing, that those who practice yoga regularly, life is definitely has been always fresh, even this COVID era. But sometimes day starts backward. We wake up tired and go to bed very wide awake. And in medically, it is called insomnia. As we know, with yoga, we can control many of our diseases and our mental state, and it gives a lot of benefits for us in the life. So I request now Sapna ji to please go ahead and tell us how to overcome our insomnia with yoga. So please, Sapna ji.
Yes, thank you, President Kishore. And once again, namaste to everyone. Definitely, आज का दिन insomnia का होने वाला है. We all will be just throughout doing about insomnia and all. How can you really get rid of it? People have been suffering from insomnia for years and years. So efforts लगेगी. बीमारी develop होने में भी थोड़ा time लग जाता है, and you just continue with that. So definitely it will take time, to go. But you will try and you will see that instant results are really propping up, right? तो चलिए थोड़ी शुरुआत करते हैं. Before we talk, थोड़ा सा exercise हो जाए, body warm up हो जाए, और साथ साथ we will be keep on doing about different exercises and all, and there'll be a small surprise for all of you today, right? Okay. So let us do warming up of our body before we continue for anything else. Stand straight. सीधे खड़े हो जाइए. Come on, everyone. Come. Stand straight. All right. Great. And let us start doing a little bit of jumping as we do every day. Let's do a little bit of jumping. Okay. Think you're a monkey. सोचिए थोड़ा सा क्या enjoy करता है, यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ, that kind of a freshness in mind will be there. If you do, okay, let's do jogging and all, you may not enjoy. So think that you're really enjoying. Forget for the time being what you have all around and all. Just be to yourself. So let us do, in other sessions and all, I make people jump even like this. But here, as I told you, not everyone will be able to do that. So let us do with our jogging. Let us start with our jogging. Come on, guys. You all are ready? चलिए शुरू होते हैं jogging करने के लिए. Wow, President Kishore has already started. I'm really impressed. Let's do it, guys. Start. And breathing, inhaling and exhaling will go simultaneously. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can just go back and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, relax. 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 The point is, with me at least you people are doing. But prior to that, I've spoken to many people. No one does that. The laziness, you know, and especially for the past 1.5 years, we have completely become lazy. Just to ourselves, waking up late and all. So this lifestyle has to be corrected, right? Okay, so let us do, you know, up and down this time. Cardiac, as I say, the exercise, right? If you simply do like this, sitting on chair also, it will be very good. Trust me, you feel like you're going up, okay? But anyway, let's do cardiac. Start, guys. Okay, you have to jump and take your legs aside. आपको jump करना है और अपने पैरों को side लेके जाना है, जैसे हम बाकी दिन भी करते आए हैं. So let us see. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 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 and down, and down, and down, and down. Great. Very good. Very good. Your blood circulation has started, you know, moving a little faster. When you do such kind of activities, जब आप करते हैं, need to be very careful. Beginners should really take care a lot. धीरे धीरे करें, जैसे पहले भी बताया है, and you can increase your capacity. आप अपनी capacity increase कर सकते हैं. All right. Now, just relax, stand straight, and let your heartbeat come to a normal state. अपने श्वास की गति को सामान्यतम में लेकर आइए. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, can we do the chest opening exercise quickly? It will open our lungs also. It will put pressure on lungs also. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे करते हैं. And I told earlier, people who have just recovered from COVID and all should not do all these exercises that we are doing in the beginning. They will be doing slow exercises, slow breathing exercises. प्राणायाम करना है उनको. और बैठे बैठे बिस्तर पे, जैसे मैंने कई सारी चीजें अलग अलग बताई हैं, for so many 15 days, 16, 17 days that we have done, please follow those. All right? Okay, start. Inhale deeply. Hands front. Expand while exhaling. So when you go back, inhale. When you come front, exhale. Inhale and front. Exhale. Back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Front. Inhale. Open. Exhale. Close. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Great. Exhale. Inhale. Great. Exhale. Fantastic. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly bring your hands down. अपने हाथों को नीचे ले आइए. Stand straight. Relax. Relax your body. Relax your body. Yes, relax your body. Now, can we quickly do these shoulder movements? Yes. Put your hands here on your shoulders. अपने हाथों को इस तरह से चौड़ा करते हुए, उंगलियों को खोलते हुए अपने कंधों के ऊपर रखिए. Yes, like this. And start rotating them front to back. Inhale. और जब आप पूरा एक राउंड लगा करके आएंगे, then exhale. Again. 1. Great. 2. Great. 3. Great. 4. Great. 5. Great. Now from back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now relax, relax. चलिए थोड़ी सी अब बात हो जाए आप लोगों के साथ. Let me talk a little bit and then again continue. Throughout, I'll be talking to you while doing the different asanas, exercises, and all. All right. Let us understand. First of all, let me talk to you about the diet to begin with, because that is also very important. You know, there are a few things and some tips which I'll give you in between at the end also. करते करते आपको tips भी दूंगी मैं. So keep practicing here. See, when we talk about diet, I mean, one thing which is common every day, I'll tell you, drink more water and water and water. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी पीजिए, ठीक है? And I've already told you, like, you know, for every 20 kgs, you can take 1 liter of water. But I have also cleared it yesterday itself. That doesn't mean that if you are 80 and you drink 4 liter water alone, please don't do that. 2.5 liter water. अगर 4 liter पानी की हम बात करते हैं, 2-2.5 liter बस पीजिए. बाकी का automatically with the other juices, liquid and all you are taking will be taken care. Okay. Green tea. Yesterday also I told you. आज भी कहती हूँ. Yes, green tea, herbal tea. Please start. You know, different ways you can make herbal tea and all. So I'm not going into detail. Once again, I mentioned it yesterday. What all you can add to your herbal tea. Right. Then fresh juices. Please keep consuming fresh juices whole day. Do not take juices post sunset. Okay? Because that has a lot of energy. Don't consume fruits after sunset. दिन छिपने के बाद आप फलों का सेवन ना करें, फलों को ना खाएं, because उसमें बहुत सारी एनर्जी होती है. They don't get digested, they lead to other problems, और फिर आपको नींद भी नहीं आएगी. You can experience one day if you just before your bed, or maybe an hour before or 2 hours before, if you eat something very energetic, you don't feel like sleeping that night. It'll be very disturbed sleep. All right. Then consume buttermilk. आपको छाछ पीनी है. Now, some people who have sinus ka problem or maybe some sort of cold issues, they can avoid this. But otherwise, छाछ पीजिए. This will be very much helpful to you. Buttermilk. Should consume fresh buttermilk. All right. I would suggest if you make it at home itself instead of canned one, please avoid them. Then fresh lime juices, fresh lime, those sweet limes which are there, please take that naturally and keep consuming fresh lime. Then very, very important, which I have been telling every day, and for insomnia also, this is very important. Remember guys, turmeric milk. दूध में हल्दी को उबालिए. If you have that raw turmeric fruit vegetable के form में जो मिल रही है, if you have that, please grate it and boil it for 20 minutes, half an hour. You know, let's say half a cup or 1 cup milk and 1 cup of water, you have to put it in that and keep boiling it till the water completely goes away. So, or you can use the organic turmeric powder or whatever is available with you. Please put that and keep boiling. And before you go to sleep, maybe half an hour before, please consume that. When you are already on your bed, have it. Then don't do any other activities, right? So do that. इसके साथ साथ, please add few nuts to your diet. कौन से nuts? Insomnia के लिए which nuts you should be having? That's again very important. Walnut, अखरोट जो होता है, that is very, very helpful to get this problem that you have, to control it, to relax it. Internally आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. Start taking it. You can start consuming 1-2 walnuts a day. Daily खाना शुरू करिए. but that doesn't mean अच्छा walnut is very helpful, अखरोट बहुत हमें फायदा देता है तो बहुत सारा खा ले. Please don't do that. But add without fail, add walnut to your daily diet. Then almonds, वो हमेशा करने हैं, but don't eat post evening. Again I'm telling you, post sunset आप कोई भी dry fruits भी नहीं खाएंगे. Make sure you consume in the first half itself. दोपहर में खा लीजिए, first half में खाइए. Early morning, empty stomach, take your almonds and all. That's very good. And what you have to add, insomnia, for insomnia, all the people who are suffering from this, or even in general also for a good sleep, pistas. Please take pistas, जो आपके होते हैं. Please take them raw. I mean, don't go for those roasted, salted, yummy, please. Just take normal, the way they are, in their natural form. They will help you a lot. ठीक है, तो ये तो बात हो गई ड्राई फ्रूट्स की. Now let's talk about veggies quickly. Veggies में आपको क्या क्या लेना है? Like tomatoes. Yesterday also I told you, tomato you have to consume in your veggies, and raw tomatoes if you can have. Salad cut करिए, अच्छा quality का tomato, and please start taking it every day. So tomatoes are really very important. Carrot, please take. Now carrot is something like again post sunset, do not eat. आप गाजर को sunset के बाद मत खाइएगा. And raw form is what I'm telling. If you can have carrot every day, one carrot, that's again very good. Start consuming green leafy vegetables, especially spinach, palak. Palak खाना शुरू करिए. जितने भी green leafy vegetables हैं, please start taking them in the form of soups. पालक का सूप बना सकते हैं आप. बाकी green vegetables are there. Please start consuming them. Remember this diet. This will help you. करके देखिएगा. If you do it for just 2-3 months, you will see the changes. Lettuce, please take that. Leaves of lettuce are also very helpful. You know, मूली का सेवन कीजिए आप. That will be very, very helpful. And soups, please use them. Coriander, बहुत अच्छी चीज है आपके लिए. धनिया का सूप बनाइए. Coriander lemon soup बनाइए. That's yummy also, tasty also, and you will like it. And try to consume coriander in every form. दाल में डालिए, सब्जियों में डालिए. You know, wherever you can, please do that. Then pudina, mint. Mint leaves are again very, very helpful for your insomnia. Do that. You can make mixed chutneys also and use it. But fresh mint, if you just put it. Okay, I'll tell you something here. Make your water. Just make your water. Put some mint leaves into it, some coriander leaves, and cucumber. If you just cut the slices and put it in this. Maybe some carrots. Pour into that water. Let that water be whole day like that. And you have a filter there. एक filter वाला, you have those water bottles and all. You can just put it. और उसी में रहने दीजिए whole day and keep drinking that water. You will see the amazing changes again. So please do that. जल्दी से बात करते हैं आपकी fruits की. Let's talk about raw fruits. Bananas are the great helper, to get rid of your insomnia. Bananas are the great helper to get rid of your insomnia. And orange, संतरा, you should take संतरों का सेवन करिए. That will be really helpful. Sweet lime, already I told you. Now you should take berries. Berries आते हैं ना, red berries and all, black berries and all. They will help you a lot. See, I didn't tell you all these things yesterday. I'm talking about insomnia. आज हम insomnia की बात कर रहे हैं. जिनको नींद नहीं आती है, नींद ना आने की बीमारी हो गई है, रात के 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 बजे तक उनको नींद नहीं आती है. They really suffer a lot. और उसकी वजह से उनका अगला दिन भी खराब होता है. They are not really able to become productive in anything, neither in personal life nor in professional life. So it's very, very important, and it leads to many other diseases also in your, life, in your body. So add berries. Avocado is again avocado. If you take, that's really very important. बहुत अच्छा है वो भी आपके. And add to your meal oatmeal. जो oats होते हैं ना, वो थोड़ा खाना शुरू करिए. And again, you say you told me everything, so shall I take everything? Whatever you like, you take that, right? But start taking. शुरुआत तो करिए. उस पथ पे जाइए तो सही, right? So start that, and pumpkin seeds will help you a lot. Pumpkin seeds, please use that in any form that you can do. Even you can grind that and you can mix in your smoothies and all. That will help you. Cottage cheese. Please start consuming cottage cheese. Now again, what all I am saying, if you are already under medication and there are few things which a doctor said not to take, please avoid them, right? Soya beans, again, great helper. Soya beans will be really, really very, very helpful. So you can just see that and start using, and you will see a lot of difference in you. And रात में एक चीज मैं आपको suggest करती हूँ, please increase the carbs, especially only for the people who are suffering from insomnia. increase the carbs quantity in your diet, in your last meal that you're taking, in your dinner, and try to take dinner as early as possible. जितना जल्दी आप ले सकें. I mean, those days are gone when people used to have their dinner around 5 o'clock. वो दिन चले गए जब 5 बजे हम खाना खा लिया करते थे, and life used to be, body used to be very, very, healthy, energetic and all. So anyway, at least 2 to 3 hours before, at least try to take your dinner 2 to 3 hours before. So people say, ठीक है, I eat at 9 o'clock, I go to sleep at 12 o'clock. Please, namaste, ऐसा मत कीजिए. Try to have your dinner by 7 o'clock. 7:30 max. Now though it is very easy, you all are at home, so it's possible. So try to take your dinner by 7:30. अगले 2-3 महीने आप ऐसी therapy करके देखिए, and I guarantee you, I promise you that if you show your 100%, your body will show you the result of 100%. ठीक है? तो इनका आप ध्यान करते रहिएगा. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं कुछ और चीजों से. We will be talking about a little asanas first before we go to pranayama and all. So let's come to the asana, what all you should be doing. और शुरुआत करते हैं, and then I'll tell you about mudras and other things also. बीच-बीच में बातें करते रहेंगे. Let us not just keep listening to me. So we will start with a companion of mine today. So can I invite Kashvi? Can you please come and join me here? Yeah? Yes. So meet Kashvi. Please come front. Okay. Stand straight. All right. So let us see the very important asana for your, insomnia, which we have been doing. और आप ये देखेंगे, you all will realize that whatever we do during these 5 days, you will realize, अरे, this we have been already doing. For the past 15-16 days, ये तो हमने किया है, without I mentioning that how it can help you. Indirectly, you are already pampering your body. आप already ये सारी चीजें कर रहे थे. A few are definitely new, which I am talking about, but yes, some of you were already doing this. तो शुरुआत करते हैं हस्त पदासना से. Right? Can you be a little side? Yes, that's it. That's it. Come here. Come here. Yeah, great. So हस्त पदासना, you all have been doing it. Right? हाथों को ऊपर लेकर के जाना है, लंबी गहरी सांस खींचनी है, फिर पैरों को छूना है, and be in that position. अगर आप नीचे जाके उस position में रुक जाए, nothing like it, while exhaling, and again you have to go up with inhaling. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हस्त पदासना. Take your hands up. Inhale deeply, straight. Be in this position, hold your breath. And now exhale and go down. Exhale and go down. Great. Exhale and go down. Now again you have to do inhale deeply. Yes. Be in this position, hold your breath. Now exhale and go down. Exhale and go down. Great. Like this. You can touch your feet. Now again, inhale and up. Hold your breath. Exhale and go down. Inhale and up. Great. Exhale and go down. Inhale and go up. Exhale and go down. Inhale and go up. Now exhale and go down. Inhale deeply and up. Exhale and go down. Can I see others? Inhale and up. Great. Exhale and down. Fantastic, guys. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Exhale. सांस छोड़िए, लंबी गहरी सांस छोड़ेंगे और लंबी सांस ऊपर लेंगे. लंबी सांस लेते जाइए और ऊपर जाइए. Inhale and up. Great. Be in this position if you can. When you are doing it, practicing it, be in this position and down. Exhale and down. Great. Great. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Fantastic. Now stand straight and relax. Stand straight and relax. Right? Now, in this itself, in standing pose, there is only one asana that we say that you can do for insomnia. यही एक आसना है जो आपको बहुत help करेगा standing pose का. Other than that, I'll tell you there's one more thing which you should be doing every day for your insomnia. But उससे पहले दूसरे बाकी आसन की बात कर लेते हैं. So let us go to the next one, that is बालासना, जो मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था. So can we come into the pose? Sit down on वज्रासना. वज्रासना में बैठ जाइए. और वज्रासना मतलब kneel down position में आपको बैठना है by spreading your heels so that it's easy for you to sit down in वज्रासना, है ना? आसान होगा आप लोगों के लिए वज्रासना में बैठना. So what you should do is now take your hands up while inhaling. Take your hands up while inhaling. Inhale करते हुए हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाना है. Take it, inhale and up. Great. And now exhale and go down and do the yes शिशुआसना, बालासना. पूरा आपको अपना सर नीचे लगा देना है. जितना आप आगे हो पाए आप कर सकते हैं. And hands straight touching on the ground. आपके हथेलियां जो हैं ग्राउंड को छू रही हैं. And your head is touching, आपका सर, आपका माथा नीचे छू रहा है. And you are up from the back side. Back side से आप थोड़े से up हो गए हैं when you do this position, right? It goes like this. Clear, guys? So this is how you should be doing. Now inhale, up. Exhale and down. Great. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Can we do this from the side? Request Kashvi to just show the side pose. Yes. All right, quick. Sit down. Okay. Now inhale deeply, go up. Yes. Now exhale and come front as that is possible. Yeah. Push your body to the front side a little. Yes. Completely down on the floor. Just touch the floor completely. Great. Now exhale and up. बच्चे की तरह आपको जमीन में लेट जाना है. लिटरली जमीन में इस तरह से बच्चे की तरह पूरा लेट जाना है. ठीक है? Exhale and down. Great. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Great. Fully down. This is Balasana. I'm sure आप साथ साथ कर रहे होंगे. Great. Now straight and relax. Straighten your body slowly and relax. Right? Now, after Balasana, let us do Baddha Konasana. Butterfly pose, जो आप सबकी favorite pose बन चुकी थी, मेरी भी है. I also love that pose like anything. I would also like to do along with Kashvi. और आप सबके साथ मैं भी करना चाहूंगी. So let us first sit in normal cross-legged position. उसके बाद अपने पैरों को फैला लेना है. और you have to join your feet, है ना? तलवों को, पैरों के तलवों को इस तरह से जोड़ लेना है. Yes, very good. And she's already made. Now you have to interlock your fingers. अपने उंगलियों को एक दूसरे में फंसा लीजिए हाथों की और सामने से अपने पंजों को पकड़ लीजिए. Please hold your front part of your, the complete toes and all will go into your palms, interlocking palms, right? Sit. And then you will be, I mean, you can completely touch the ground, people who can, and then you start doing the flapping. उसके बाद आप flapping शुरू करेंगे. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then slowly, slowly, as if you come down. I mean, when we have been doing in the previous days, I've told you how you can flap and go up in the sky, you know. आप आसमान में जाते हैं और चक्कर लगा के आते हैं. So we have done different types of exercises with this Baddha Kona, that is butterfly pose itself, right? Now, after this, let us move on to Supta Baddha Konasana. meaning you'll be making this pose but while sleeping, while lying down. आपको ये pose बनाना है. This is for insomnia. And people sitting at the chair, they continue with their, उनके लिए भी मैं थोड़ा सा बता देती हूँ. अगर आप chair पे बैठे हुए हैं, so you can be just on the chair and you can just, let me just show you, give me a minute. Suppose you are here. Now because you are sitting on chair, so you can just do it like this, आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं. And chair should be which doesn't have arms, then you can do like this, right? And this you can do even on bed. जिनको नीचे बैठने में प्रॉब्लम है, करने में प्रॉब्लम है, they can even do bed. Okay, now let us do Supta Baddha Konasana. Come, can you please lie down, all of you? Lie down on your back. कमर के सहारे लेट जाइए, right? कमर के सहारे लेट जाइए. जितने भी लेटने वाले आसन हैं, आपको बड़ा मजा आएगा. You will really feel very good in that, right? Now the way we fold our legs, our knees, जैसे हम बद्धा कोनासना में अपने पैरों को मोड़ते हैं और जोड़ते हैं, वही चीज आपको यहाँ भी करनी है लेटे लेटे. So can you please do that? Join them. इस तरह से आप उनको join कर रहे हो लेटे लेटे, right? You are joining. So fold them and you can relax. Leave your hands aside. अपने हाथों को बड़े आराम से आप साइड में छोड़ सकते हैं. This is Supta Konasana. आपको flapping कर जरूरत नहीं. You will not be doing the flapping. Not needed. You have to just relax in this pose. Make this pose while, the way we do in Baddha Konasana, you have to do exactly in the same pose. You're joining, can you just, what you have to do is simply lie down as she's lying and just join and relax. After this, you do breathe in heavily, hold and relax. And now exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और छोड़िए. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और छोड़िए. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और छोड़िए. Inhale deeply, hold your breath and exhale. Inhale deeply, hold your breath and exhale. Now this you can do on your bed in the night before sleeping. Okay, सोने से पहले जब आप अपने बिस्तर पर हैं तो ये वाली प्रक्रिया कर सकते हैं. This will help you a lot. Right? So just inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. Deeply inhale and exhale. And your focus should be on your breaths, not on the pose. The focus should be on your breaths. All right? So can you please sit now, slowly release the pose strips. Don't get up like this, Kashvi. Please lie down once again. Let us show them properly. You have been doing, so you are okay. Slowly release. You have to spread one leg slowly and then the other leg slowly. Right? And then turn to your right or left. Just turn, let's say, to one side. Normally I suggest left, but here I can show because she is sleeping in this pose. Put your hand down with the pressure and then wake up. This should be the right way of waking up from this pose if you are doing during the day timings. If you are doing in the night, आप वहीं सो जाइएगा. All right? Okay, so this is one thing. After this, we will do your Surya Namaskar. Now, Surya Namaskar is something which is the amazing exercise for your insomnia. And especially, you do it in the morning, very good. आप Surya Namaskar शुरू में करते हैं जब भी आप अपना आसन कर रहे होते हैं. Whenever you are doing your yoga exercises and all, आप yoga practice कर रहे होते हैं, wonderful. But if you do Surya Namaskar just before going to your bed, I'll tell you the tips at the end, all right? If you do Surya Namaskar just before going to your bed, if you do around 10 rounds, and people who have been practicing more, they can do 20 rounds, 15 rounds, 20 rounds in the night. And after that, if they go to sleep, trust me, it will be an amazing sleep, very sound sleep. बहुत अच्छी नींद आएगी. This I can suggest for everyone, but for insomnia, this is fantastic. All right? So let us do very simple. I'll just do normally in front of you. You all can just see me, and then she will do. I will command. All right? बस एक बार देख लीजिए. पहले भी मैंने आपको कराया और आप अभी मेरे साथ करेंगे जब मैं बोलूंगी. Just watch me now. So you have to stand straight like this. सीधे हम खड़े होते हैं. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हैं, नीचे आते हैं, एक पैर को सामने रखते हुए दूसरे को पीछे लेके जाते हैं। ये उंगलियां बराबर रहेंगी, हाथ all the three in one line align, then the another leg goes back. फिर आप नीचे आते हैं and you make the Ashtanga pose. After that Bhujangasana. उसके बाद आप माउंटेन पोज बनाते हैं। फिर जिस पैर को पीछे लेके गए थे पहले उसी को सामने लाना है, एंड देन द अदर लेग। फिर लंबी सांस लेते हुए ऊपर जाना है, एंड देन प्रणाम पोज। ऑलराइट, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं विद माय कमांड। स्टैंड स्ट्रेट ऑल ऑफ यू। पीपल सिटिंग इन द चेयर, वो बैठे बैठे करेंगे, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था। दे आर सिटिंग इन द चेयर एंड दे विल बी डूइंग इट। Otherwise, let us do 1 or 2 rounds, and people who just want to do on chair, they can connect to me personally. I can, tell them and make them exercise little bit. Otherwise, on that day, one of the days I have shown, so they can go to that video and watch. All right, please come. All right, so can we do this? Would you like to do like this or like that? Either way. All right, so stand straight. Stand straight, forward, come forward a little bit. When you do this exercise, it's always better that you be into the front side. आप सामने की तरफ होकर के ही करेंगे. All right? Okay. Stand straight. Come in pranam pose. Pranam pose में आइए. And pranam should be like this, okay? Near your chest. Very good. Come to your chest. Inhale deeply. लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए हाथों को खोल के ऊपर लेके जाना है. Yes. Very good. Take back. Now exhale and come down, Hastapadasana. Very good. Hastapadasana. When you do Surya Namaskar, if you go by slow, instead counting that how many, instead of counting how many rounds you did, it's better you go slow and be in that pose. तो साथ साथ आपके आसन के practice भी होते रहेंगे. All right? Down. Then take one leg back. एक पैर को पीछे लेके जाइए और बाकी दोनों हाथों को अपने सामने वाले पैर के साइड में रख दीजिए. They should be equal, in the same line, aligned. Great. Now, can you see this? Here we have rest our knee. So people who cannot actually do completely up, they can do like this, or they can lift their knee. इस तरह से आप पीछे knee को lift करेंगे. Otherwise, you can just rest comfortably on ground. Okay. Now take the other leg also back. अब दूसरा पैर भी पीछे लेके जाइए. And balance your body. Balance your body like a stick or like a mountain. Right? Now come down. Come down. पहले लेट जाइए पूरा. With your hands side. हाथों को साइड में रखिए. बॉडी को पूरा जमीन पर लिटा लीजिए. Let your entire body be on the ground. Touching the ground. Now you lift your whole body except, अब आप बीच में से अपना हिस्सा उठाइए. Yes, अपने hips को ऊपर करिए. अपने, so remember only your chin, your chest, your knees and your toes. पैरों के जो toes हैं, सिर्फ ये चीज जमीन पे रहेगी, बाकी सब ऊपर उठ के रहेगा. इसीलिए इसको अष्टांग आसना कहा जाता है. अष्टांग 8 चीजें आपकी जो है जमीन को छू रही हैं. ठीक है? ऑलराइट, नाउ कम टू भुजंगासना. धीरे से आप इस पोज से सांस खींचते हुए ऊपर भुजंगासना में आइए. सांस खींचते हुए ऊपर की तरफ आप हाथों पे आप प्रेशर देके रखेंगे. बट पीपल हु हैव प्रॉब्लम, दे कैन पुट देयर एल्बोज कंप्लीटली डाउन. कैन यू शो दैट काश्मी? अपने एल्बो पर आप इस तरह से पोज बना सकते हैं. एंड जस्ट सी अप, कोबरा पोज, भुजंगासना. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, because you don't strain your body. Right. Otherwise, proper Bhujangasana is where you just put your hands and up. Great. Now exhale and come to a mountain pose. धीरे से वापस उसी पोज पे आइए जो हमने बीच में किया था. Come to the mountain pose while exhaling. So जब भी हम नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करते हुए, we will exhale. और जब हम ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं, we will inhale. And you start with प्रणाम पोज से जब आप ऊपर लेके जाते हैं इनहेल, तो ऑटोमेटिकली फिर एक्सहेल और इनहेल होता रहेगा. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस. नाउ इनहेल डीपली, ओके, एंड ब्रिंग वन लेग फ्रंट. जो पैर लेके गए थे पीछे उसी को वापस सामने लेके आइए. प्लीज ब्रिंग द सेम लेग इन फ्रंट व्हिच यू टुक बैक. Great. Now exhale. Now inhale and bring the other leg front. Wait. Be in Hastapasana pose only. Now inhale deeply and go up. अब लंबी सांस लीजिए और ऊपर की तरफ जाइए. Great. Now exhale and come to pranam pose. And turn. Kashi, can you turn? Right. So this we did on the one side of our leg. Now same process you have to repeat on the other side of the leg. यही चीज आपको दूसरे leg के साथ भी करनी है. This will complete your one cycle. So when I say 10 rounds, meaning 20 times हो गया आपका. So this is what I suggested. People who have not done this Surya Namaskar at all, or who have not done much of asanas earlier, so they should not do too many rounds. They should start with only 1 or 2 rounds. Only 1 and 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar for a couple of days. कम से कम एक हफ्ते तक आप 1 या 2 राउंड ही करते रहिए. After that, graduate yourself to 4 rounds. Then slowly to 6 rounds, 7 rounds. So one week you will have to be a little, keep graduating yourselves. Remember this, because Surya Namaskar will give you a lot of pain when you start initially, and that's quite normal. Don't feel I did this, so there is some problem. Let me run to a doctor. Please remember, this will happen. ठीक है, तो ये आसना हमने किया, which is again very very important. A few more I'll tell you with this. All right, so you can continue with these kind of exercises every day, asanas every day. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. प्रणाम, प्राणायाम and all will do. Can you just please go there, Kashfi, for a minute? Okay. Now what we need to do is, remember, चलिए इसके पहले थोड़ी सी चीजें और कर लेते हैं. In general for everyone, let's do ताड़ासना. चलिए ताड़ासना करते हैं before we move on to the other things. Okay. Let's do Tadasana. I'll tell you mudras also. I'll tell you pranayamas also. ठीक है, तो बीच बीच में मैं आपको बताती रहूंगी. Okay, let's do. Stand straight. Stand straight. Up. You have inhaled deeply. Hold the breath and exhale and down. Now inhale deeply. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, ऊपर जाइए. सांस छोड़िए और नीचे आइए. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए और ऊपर जाइए. सांस छोड़िए और नीचे आइए. Again inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Exhale and come down. Inhale deeply. Exhale and come down. Inhale deeply. Up. Hold. Exhale and come down. Inhale deeply. Hold. Exhale and come down. Inhale deeply. Exhale and come down. Inhale deeply. Exhale and come down. Inhale deeply. Exhale and come down. Great. Aside, put your hands aside. Yes, put your hands aside. All right. So now, let me quickly tell you, that what all pranayama you should do. Can I change, Vivek? Can I just change the mic? What all pranayamas we should do? Let's see this. Okay. Just a second. All right. Here I would like to see others more. Okay, let's talk about pranayama. So pranayama आपको कौन सा करना है? If you're talking about your insomnia, Anulom Vilom is for everything. Nadi Shuddhi and Anulom Vilom is for everything. So you will be doing Nadi Shuddhi, Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika and Bhramari. That's it. Kapalbhati नहीं करेंगे आप. For insomnia, you will be doing Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi, Anulom Vilom, Bhramari and Bhastrika. ये तीन चीजें आप करेंगे लगातार. All right. So let's start with Nadi Shuddhi. अनुलोम विलोम और नाड़ी शुद्धि का बीच का हम कर रहे हैं रोज. ओके, मोर ऑफ अनुलोम विलोम. इनहेल डीपली, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. रोकिए. अब दूसरी नाक को बंद करिए और दूसरी नाक से छोड़िए. Now inhale deeply from the other nose and exhale from the right. Now inhale from the right, block right nose, release your left nose, hold your breath and exhale from left now. Now inhale from your left nose, block your left, release your right, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Can I see others, please, Vivek? Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. Inhale, hold and exhale. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. ध्यान सांसों पर लगाए रखें. सांस को रोकिए, नाक को बंद करिए, दूसरी नाक को खोलिए और वहां से सांस बाहर निकालिए. फिर जिस नाक से सांस बाहर निकालिए उसी से वापस लीजिए. लंबी गहरी सांस रोकिए और दूसरी से बाहर निकालिए. फिर बाहर खींचिए, अंदर खींचिए दूसरी नाक से. इनहेल डीपली, एक्सहेल. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Right? चलिए अब करते हैं भस्त्रिका. Bhastrika is very, very good. Vivek, I need to adjust. Just please show me the others and change for a minute. Yeah, I need to adjust. So start with, you can do with Bhastrika. Now Bhastrika is very important for insomnia. What you can do is, जैसे हम रोज करते आ रहे थे, in case there is someone doing first time, just for them, you sit in your cross-legged position. People who want to sit in Padmasana, they can do so. And then just inhale till your chest तक आप सांस लेंगे और फिर छोड़ेंगे. Okay, start. Let's not waste time. Quickly start. धीरे करना है. Earlier also I told you, Bhastrika, don't do fast initially. Every time, even if you have been practicing for a long years, still I would suggest at this moment, please inhale deeply और chest तक सांस लेके आइए. All right, and then hold and exhale. Hold and exhale. Inhale deeply, hold and exhale. Inhale deeply, chest तक and exhale. 5-10 round इस तरह करने के बाद you can go to faster version. Okay, so let us go to faster. We have less time. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Can I see others? जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं. Yes. इस तरह से आपको भ्रमरी करते रहना है, सॉरी भस्त्रिका करते रहना है. So this is very very important for you, all the people suffering from insomnia. और आपने देखा होगा ये हम already रोज कर रहे थे. So do भस्त्रिका like this and do about 15-20 rounds minimum every day. And then भ्रमरी you should do, you know, the way I have already taught you. भ्रमरी you should do because I have to tell you more things. So let us quickly go to Ujjayi Pranayama. Now Ujjayi Pranayama जाने अनजाने में आप रोज कर रहे थे. I was making you do this Ujjayi almost every day in different forms. So remember, Ujjayi Pranayama is very very important for insomnia cure. Insomnia के लिए Ujjayi Pranayama बहुत अच्छी चीज है. All right, in between again I'll call Kashmi and she'll show you something. So just see Ujjayi Pranayama, how to do it. लंबी सांस आपको लेनी है, मैं हल्के तरीके से बताऊंगी and sometime tomorrow or the day after again in deep way we'll take up this Ujjayi Pranayama. But just remember Ujjayi is very very important. So you have to inhale deeply. पूरे अंदर तक सांस, गहरी सांस लेके जाना है आपको. And slowly 1:2 में के रेशियो में हमें बढ़ाना है बाद में. But let's inhale deeply. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Hold your breath. अब मुंह से सांस छोड़नी है, लंबे तरीके से मुंह से सांस छोड़नी है. ऐसे कि जैसे सारा सांस बाहर निकल रहा है, सारा सांस बाहर निकल रहा है, इस तरह से, you know, as if the entire, you know, almost the entire breath that you have is going out through your mouth. ये आपको अपने मुंह से सांस निकालनी है. जैसे जस्ट आपको साउंड के तरह से मैं बताती हूँ. इस तरह से आपकी सांस बाहर जाएगी. So उज्जयी में आपको खींचना है अंदर. 1:2 का रेशियो ये होता है कि आप मान लीजिए आपने 10 सेकेंड्स तक सांस अंदर खींची है, तो 20 सेकेंड्स तक उसको बाहर निकालिए. 1 सेकेंड खींची है तो 2 सेकेंड निकालिए. You know, so Ujjayi Pranayama will help you a lot. चलिए करते हैं एक बार फिर से. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. सांस को रोक लीजिए. And now exhale through your mouth. सांस टूटेगी नहीं, but keep on doing that. You need a lot of practice for this, but this is very good pranayama for insomnia. ये नींद ना आने की बीमारी के लिए बहुत अच्छा लाभदायक प्राणायाम है. So इसे करते रहिएगा. उज्जयी प्राणायाम, ठीक है. So I told you how to do it. You should continue doing this. So फिर से कहती हूँ, अनुलोम विलोम, नाड़ी शुद्धि and अनुलोम विलोम, भस्त्रिका, उज्जयी और भ्रमरी, ये आपको लगातार करना है. Okay, so let me quickly talk about mudras. Let me show you what all mudras you should do. मुद्राओं पे ध्यान दीजिए. These are amazing ones. Remember, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Your body is very lethargic or you have pain. You are not able to do all these asanas that I told you. आप वो सारे आसना नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. आप सूर्य नमस्कार नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So increase your duration into your mudras. और मुद्राओं की खास बात ये है कि even if you are working on your laptop and all, एक हाथ से आप बना करके बैठ सकते हैं, है ना. भाई कुछ तो कर रहे हैं आप. Slow and steady will make you win, you know. All right. So Gyan Mudra, हर किसी के लिए कहती हूँ ज्ञान मुद्रा you should be making where index finger, forefinger and your thumb, you join the tips, right? Then you should do, okay? Then you should do, can you take it back? Okay. Then after that you take प्राण मुद्रा. कल भी मैंने आपको बताया था. प्राण मुद्रा, yes. Yesterday I told you the last two fingers, आपकी little finger and your ring finger, join them. You know, ऐसे कर सकते हैं आप, ऐसे कर सकते हैं आप, ऐसे कर सकते हैं आप, ठीक है? Either way, this is perfectly fine. The way you are comfortable. So join them and keep sitting. See, remember, mudras will help you only if you practice, say, around 1 hour every day. Isn't it very difficult? Oh my God, 1 hour we'll be sitting in this position. No, I'm not telling you continuously 1 hour. आप कर ले बहुत अच्छी बात है. Half an hour at least continuously if you can do, very good. But otherwise you can do 15 minutes. You know, you're watching television. Sit down in this pose, na? Don't you watch TV? You do, right? So whenever you're sitting and you know entertainment and all anything is happening, sit down in this pose. You're sitting on a sofa, that's fine. No need of really crossing your legs. जैसे आप बैठे हैं, जिस तरह से बैठे हैं, just sit in this mudra. Consciously, you have to be more conscious and do it. And make sure that every day you complete your about an hour. उसके ऊपर कर ले, fantastic. So prana mudra. Then we talk about, okay, I'll show you because of the lack of time, we are not able to do everything, but मैं बता देती हूँ, कल हम कुछ और करेंगे, ठीक है? आदि मुद्रा, remember, Shakti mudra, Surya mudra and Matangi mudra. These are the 4 mudras which are very, very helpful. अभी जल्दी जल्दी करके कोई फायदा नहीं है, but I'll show you these mudras in some other days. Right? Anyone wants to connect personally can also do that. I'll definitely help. So remember, Prana mudra because you have been doing it. Jnana mudra you have been doing it. इसके अलावा एक मुद्रा है which will be for all the 5 days. That is Samana mudra. This you can do. This everyone can do. बच्चा, बूढ़ा, जवान हर कोई कर सकता है बहुत आसानी से. You have to do nothing. Just join all your 4 fingers with your thumb. इस तरह से, है ना? ऐसे जोड़ लेना है. ऐसे जोड़ लेना है. That's it. And you can sit. Sit in this pose whenever it is possible. Please keep on doing that. So I repeat, for insomnia, नींद ना आने की बीमारी के लिए आपको करना है ज्ञान मुद्रा, प्राण मुद्रा. प्राण मुद्रा जब आप करेंगे, definitely self confidence will come and mudra making will become more perfect. Surya mudra, Adi mudra, Matangi and Shakti mudra. So these 4 mudras I'll teach you sometime tomorrow or the day after. All right. So after mudras, let us quickly, before I do a few more things with you, let me just quickly give you a few tips. Let us go to the tips now. Okay, can I, 1 second, let me increase. Tips. All right. I hope the voice is clear. Chaliye. Let's go to tips. Remember, for insomnia, iski zarurat hai because we have been already doing a lot many exercises and all. Remember, guys, what you need to do is, सबसे पहले, no sugar. Sugar जितनी कम कर सके आप उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. But people who have the lack of sugar in their body and you need to take more, please continue. I'm not talking about it because there are always ifs and buts. With everybody has their different conditions. But in general, I assume that कोई problems नहीं है. Then what to do? Insomnia की problem है. Then please do this. Diabetes है, of course, no sugar, right? So sugar का consume नहीं करना. You should not be taking much of sugar. Then caffeine, please avoid this. Yesterday somebody asked me, so whether it is a black tea or for Arya, whether it is a black tea or black coffee, please avoid post sunset. और खासकर रात में, in the night, please completely say no to your caffeine, your black coffee or black tea. Nothing. You will not be taking that. We say नहीं थोड़ा fresh feel होगा. We had this habit, evening में नहाए धोए चलो एक कप coffee पी लेते हैं. Please avoid it. So let's not do this. Food you have to take at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping hours. No phone calls. 2 घंटे पहले अपने सारे phone calls बंद कर दीजिए. Please don't speak. People say not possible. My profession is like this. I have to do. So profession तो तब करेंगे ना जब ये बीमारी आपका पीछा छोड़ेगी. Don't you want to really flourish? Yes, you do. Right? So please avoid. रात के, I normally say 2 hours, 3 hours, but at least 1 hour before if you can do. Say no to your phone. Shut it off. No social media. Nowadays, till the end, we are on social media and all. Please avoid it. because this will disturb, this will tick your subconscious mind. And this is a major reason for you not to get sleep. People have been like, Netflix and all. Namaste, please leave it. No TV. And then please do not consume water before going to bed. कम से कम आधे घंटे पहले पानी पीना छोड़ दीजिए. You can always take a sip because throat थोड़ा dry हो रहा है and you really want this, you can take sip. That's okay. थोड़ा सा पानी आप पी सकते हैं. But people normally do a mistake of drinking a lot of water, like 1 or 2 glasses. They have a habit of drinking water and then go to sleep. Don't do that because this will again create a problem. You will feel like urinating and all, and either you don't get up in the night or you go. So either way, you are disturbing your sleep. So please stop it. Eat complex carbs. पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया था. Increase the quantity of carbs in your food in the night meal. Eat cherries. रात को cherries खा के सोइए आप. Evening में. I say no fruits, but cherries is something I would suggest you should eat. Right? Do that. And then what you should do is, before going to bed, maybe half an hour before, please do Surya Namaskar. See what I'm telling you, do that and you will see the result. Guarantee you will see the result. All right. So then do Surya Namaskar, 5 to 10 rounds. People who have been already practicing, they can go to 20 rounds also. People who are just beginning, do 1 round or 2 rounds. That's it. That itself will give you that kind of a, tiredness and also that your body wants to go to sleep completely. So do that. After doing Surya Namaskar, please take warm water bath. Take a shower. हल्के गुनगुने पानी से, ठंडे पानी से नहीं. Please understand, हल्के गुनगुने पानी से स्नान कीजिए after doing your Surya Namaskar. Then what you should do is, then you should consume your turmeric milk. And you should do, after drinking turmeric milk, 15 मिनट का टाइम होना चाहिए आपके पास. 15-20 मिनट पहले, please have हल्दी वाला दूध, गरम गरम. And after that, lie down and do the Nidra Kriya meditation. Now, Nidra Kriya meditation is already available on my YouTube channel, and I have given to many people, whoever are listening to it, trust me, they just go to sleep within 10 minutes or so. So do that. You can also listen to some soft music that you love to. Soft music, I am saying, not these songs and all. Kuch relaxing, soothing music sunte sunte bhi aap so sakte hain. So please do these tips, and you will definitely see that there is a lot of change in your daily routine of insomnia, and you'll be definitely able to do a lot many things. So we have done many exercises, as I told you. Marjari asana also you can add. Ek din maine aapko karke dikhaya tha, dog pose and cat pose. So cat pose also you can actually add to your daily routine of this insomnia that we are talking about. And shavasana, I must not forget, shavasana is fantastic thing. In fact, shavasana you can do in the night also. Nidra Kriya ke badle aap shavasana bhi karna chahiye, you can do that. Nidra Kriya will help you. You can just focus on your, because Nidra Kriya maine shavasana ki tarah hi karai hai. So when you do Nidra Kriya, this will replace your shavasana and you will really feel amazing results. So start doing it and be healthy, be fit. Okay, so let me just adjust myself. President, over to you now.
Yeah, thank you, Sapna ji. If anyone wants to ask any question, please go ahead.
Yes, if anyone wants to ask anything, I'm there.
Yeah, thank you. Any questions from anyone?
Yes.
सपना जी, आपने कहा कि आपको फूड नहीं खाने हैं.
Yes.
सभी लोग खाते हैं रात.
हाँ जी. क्या आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है?
अरे हम तो रोज शाम को खाना ही पड़ता है, नहीं तो आत्मा तृप्त नहीं होती.
I can't hear. I think there is some internet. Yes.
आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
अब आ रही है. Yes, I can hear you.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आजकल आम का सीजन है, रोज रात के बाद आम तो खाते हैं लोग.
खाइए आम खाइए. रात में आप अच्छे से आम खा सकते हैं. फलों को मैं मना करती हूँ, बट आम का सीजन है, अभी आप खा सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब आप आम खाएंगे, when you eat, this is a very good question. Though I told you कि no sugar. See, आम अगर आप रात में खाएंगे तो उससे प्रॉब्लम तो होगी definitely, because it will trigger your sugar inside you, so that will not let you sleep properly. So I would suggest दिन में खाइए, that is very good. And diabetes वाले थोड़ा ध्यान रखें. eat with irritation.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं मेरी प्रॉब्लम दूसरी है।
हाँ जी, tell me
प्रॉब्लम
please.
है कि नींद बहुत ज्यादा आती है।
अच्छा, आपको नींद बहुत ज्यादा आती है, तो आपके साथ अलग से बातचीत हो जाए अशोक जी।
बिंदु का टीवी लगा होता है और मैं सो जाता हूँ, पता नहीं लगता।
आपके साथ अलग से बातचीत हो जाए, उसका भी हम उपाय बताएंगे आपको। Alright, thank you.
Yeah, Jyoti, please.
Yes, सपना जी, you said कि रात के वक्त जिसको इंसोम्निया है कि रात के वक्त you should
Yeah.
include complex carbs
Yes.
खाने में. अभी
Yeah.
diabetic person with insomnia can have these carbs.
See, again, as I told you that the person who are facing problem of diabetes and all, yesterday I mentioned what they should have, right? So then you have to balance that I have this also and this also. Diabetes does not allow me, but insomnia is telling me. So because diabetes does not allow, I have to stop it. So that one has to understand. And that is
But
what
ये-
I told somebody who is
these
already
carbs can be had early in the evening, like 6-7
Yeah.
बजे
Yes, that you can have. That you can have before sunset.
before
That you
sunset.
can have. Yeah. And consume banana, that is really good. But again, someone who has a diabetes problem and all, they will not be. But thoda bahut insulin chahiye. So to replace that insulin, you can have banana.
But
Yeah.
I just want to share with you, आप जितना लंबा सोएंगे, आपकी डायबिटीज सुबह उतनी कम होती है. I mean, your sugar count is less in the morning. It's because of lack of sleep sometimes also.
Yes.
Sugar goes up.
Yes.
Your friend had we had a very special coach today called Kashvi, and we really just so sweet of her and nice to see her. She's our Sapna's daughter, and really nice to see her doing it at her. I think she's only 12 now. How old is she?
She's 11-year-old.
11-year-old, and it is really good to see her 11-year-old girl doing such a lovely asanas. So Kashvi, it is really good, and we are really nice to see you. And
तो AVM का product है.
and now I request our excellent human being, a very well balanced person, our great Rotarian from our Seacoast, Mr. Pramod Ghoti, to give the vote of thanks, please.
Thank you, President Kishore, for giving me this opportunity. You know, it is I joined Rotary during pandemic, and we had to meet all the other Rotarians, but it's so nice to see the group. So Sapnaji, thanks a lot for taking us on this journey of yoga. And I'm using the word journey because we have to continue even after this, regularly. I've been doing yoga for many years now, but believe me, you have told some so finer points of connecting mind, soul, and body, which we never noticed. For example, doing Bhramari, when you said look inside, the way it is coming from Mool right up to the top. Or whenever while doing Anulom Vilom, you say hold and see the air passing through it. Now, these are very finer points which we never thought when we were doing it. We are doing it as a ritual every day. Second thing, you have done it that, during pandemic, a lot of laziness has come into our system. You made us get up early and start sharp at school. And my routine has changed. Suddenly, I'm finding 1 hour more in my day, which is helping me now. So that's another this thing. So another, you also told some of the asana how to do sitting on the chair. Now, I used to be playing squash and tennis at a pretty senior level, at All India levels and all that. And I had my knee problem, so I can't sit cross-legged and all that. And now it was the way you sit on chair and you made us do. I felt very confident that I can do many more asanas now, even by sitting on the chair. I also thank your daughter for joining and showing this thing, and shows that this legacy will continue for the next generation also. On a lighter note, let me also tell you that when I used to do yoga alone, I'll do some cheating that, okay, instead of 10 repetition, let me do 5. But every time when you tell Vivek, show me them on the screen, we used to do it very So thanks a lot, and it has been kind. I also thank all the Rotarians who are joining. Yesterday I was told between Facebook and Zoom, we have 70 members joining. So, you know, it also shows how conscious people are for their health and all. So thanks again. Thank you to all the members, and thank you, President, ever smiling President Kishore. Makes you smile on his face. So
Thank you.
Sapna ji, you know, one thing I always get feeling towards the end, कि अरे ये तो खत्म हो गया आज, you know, थोड़ा now I'm getting a feeling अभी सिर्फ 4 दिन ही बचे हैं यार. I hope you all will continue. So thanks a lot once again.
Thank you. Thank you, Pramod ji. Thank you so much. So friends, I will see you tomorrow at 7:30 sharp. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Stay healthy.
young lady. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Krishma. What's her name you said? Krishma.
Kashvi, Kashvi.
Kashmi. Oh, what a sweet name. Kashmi. What does it mean? Kashmi? Kashmi.
She's studying.
No,
in,
no. What does the name mean?
This is the Kashvi,
Kashmi.
you know, goddess of luck, and Lord Parvati, Goddess Parvati is another name. Lord Shiva's.
Oh, Kashmi. Very.
Kashi Vishwanath, you know Kashi Vishwanath. So from there, yeah.
Kashmi. Very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, everyone.
Can I have a photo, please, madam? Can you please fold your hand, Kashvi, please? I'll just take a snap, huh? Just a minute.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek.